Hello friends. Normally nowadays we are expressing fuel consumption in kmpl. What is kmpl? It is kilometers per liter. But in the olden days we used to express fuel consumption in liters per 100 kilometers. Basically, it is more convenient to express fuel consumption on per kilometer basis, and particularly for the cars, I find it expressing fuel consumption in cc per kilometer is very convenient, because after all kmpl is just a reciprocal quantity, and our problem is, see, for fuel consumption for any vehicle running in any gear at constant speed on a level road depends upon only three basic factors, that is air resistance, engine friction and the rolling resistance. These three factors decide your total fuel consumption. By adding the fuel consumption on account of these three factors, we can get the total fuel consumption, which is possible only when we are expressing the fuel consumption on per kilometer basis. Particularly cc per, if we express it in cc per kilometer, it is a very convenient format, so that all the calculations or whatever things can be explained in a better way. Otherwise, kmpl is a reciprocal quantity and it cannot be added. Fuel kmpl for the different factors like rolling resistance, air resistance, engine friction cannot be expressed separately and then added. It is impossible. So when you express in cc per kilometer, it becomes very easy to know what is this consumption or this factor, what is the total. And then finally you can convert it to kmpl. That is not a problem. Now to understand the relationship between the two, I will just explain. kmpl means kilometers per liter. Suppose for example, you say your vehicle has 20 kmpl, say, at a particular situation, whatever it means. If it is 20 kmpl, that means 20 kilometers you are consuming 1 liter of fuel. If I want to convert it on per kilometer basis, what I will say? Instead of 20 kilometers for 1 liter, I will say for 1 kilometer how much liters I will need? Obviously it is only 1 upon 20 liters. When I say 20 kmpl, 20 kilometers per liter, that means for 1 kilometer I will need 1 upon 20 liters. Now using the such a fraction is obviously not convenient, but we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc, and therefore for 1 kilometer we will need 1000 upon 20 cc. 1000 upon 20 comes to 50 cc. That means 20 kmpl is equivalent to 50 cc per kilometer. In short, converting kmpl into cc per kilometer, what we have to do? We have to just find out what is 1000 upon kmpl, that will give you cc per kilometer, or vice versa. If you know cc per kilometer, you can just convert into kmpl by using for kmpl equal to 1000 upon divided by cc per kilometer. That will give you kmpl figure. And main advantage we get, everything becomes very clear. Various fuel consumption due to various factors, and so many calculations become very easy. So I have used many times cc per kilometer. Readers may get confused about the kmpl and cc per kilometer. That's why I put this video. This simple relationship, kmpl is equal to 1000 upon cc per kilometer and cc per kilometer equal to 1000 upon kmpl. Either way you can use it. Thank you for watching.